Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today we have a dish for those adventurous diners amongst you. Burmese cuisine makes good use of offal, and this is a dish that makes a tasty meal from a part that is normally discarded. Due to its geographical location, Burma or Myanmar takes some influence from China. Although this dish may have had its origins in China, it's definitely one that has become a firm favourite in many Burmese households. Each family may give this dish their own twist, but the recipe I'm using today is one that we use in our family and I got from my dad. Let's go through the list of ingredients. Half a cucumber, 1 red onion, a bunch of coriander or cilantro, fish sauce, 1 packet of ready prepared and cooked pig's ear. This packet contains the ear that's already been cooked in soy sauce and spices and vacuum packed. You will find this in the refrigerated section of your local Asian supermarket. 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon of chili oil or your favourite sriracha sauce, and juice from half a lemon. So those were the ingredients. The best thing about this recipe, apart from how good it tastes, is that there is no cooking required, just a bit of preparation and slicing. The first thing that we need to do is to slice the ear. We're aiming for pieces about half a centimetre wide as shown here. Next, cut the onion into thin slices. I'm using a red onion here as it has a sweeter taste. When eaten raw, you can also substitute white onion if you don't have any red onions. To prepare the cucumber, of which I'm using half, I like to peel it and scoop out the seeds because they can make the salad too wet, then slice thinly. Finally, chop the chilies into slices and cut the coriander leaves, and that should be it for the preparation. This shows you all the prepared ingredients for the salad. In order to make the salad, add all the prepared ingredients into a mixing bowl. Then add in the chili oil, squeeze in the lemon juice, and add 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce. This will be the dressing for the salad. Finally, the most important aspect about preparing a Burmese salad, and that is the mixing. You can use your hands if you want, but I would recommend wearing gloves because of the chilies. However, I use the spatula to mix this one. So that's how you make Burmese pig's ear salad. In Burmese, this dish is called Whetnaywet Thoke. Wet-Na-Ywet means pig's ear, and the word thoke, roughly translated into English, means to mix. It's a general term given to all salads. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in learning a new language, I'd recommend Rocket Languages. I've left a link to a free trial in the description. Till next time, see you next time.